Hello, in front of me I have Haylou GST watch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Haylou Fun application on our iPhone. So let's open it by tapping on the icon. In the app, you should see the home page. Wait a couple of seconds for the devices to connect. So as you can see, it's synchronizing data, so let's wait. After it's done, let's tap on the My Smart Device option. And here you should see the Haylou GST. Tap on it. On this page, find the settings icon right here in the top right corner. Tap on it, then tap on Unbind Device button, and then tap on Confirm. This will reset the watch to the factory default settings. And also it should remove the watch from the app, basically. Now we can tap on Got it, close the app, open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, tap on the Bluetooth option. Here, check if you have Haylou GST on the list. As you can see, it is on the list right here. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on Forget this device. And tap on Forget device to confirm. And now the Haylou GST should disappear from the list of my devices. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.